Hello, my dear students. This is Lovejeet Arora. So, I will be discussing with you for loop in Java. So, I'm using this book for ICSE class 10th, and this topic is same for ICSE class 10th student and for ICSE class 9th student. So, that is the common topic, and let's get start. So let's begin with the introductionary part. So afterwards I will tell you the practical also. So see guys, this is my for loop. I'm going to start it with for. So this is the keyword here. If I'm going to write it again with yellow color, this will be easy. For, right? So like that you have to write for. F will be small. For, and here this is divided into three sections. How many sections are there? Three sections. And each section is divided with the semicolon. Right? So here are three sections. If I talk about the first section, that is for the initialization of a variable. Right? So here we are doing the initialization of a variable, initial value in a any variable, right? So then this portion is for condition, right? Here we have to set the condition, an appropriate condition we have to set, otherwise our loop can be infinite loop, right? So this is for the condition. Here we are using relational operator, right? So all these relational operator we are using here, not equals to, equals, double equals to, right? So these relational operator we are using, and here this portion is for increasing and for decreasing the value. That is depends on this condition also. Sometime we need to decrease, sometime we need to increase. That is totally depends on this, right? So whatever the condition you are giving, so as per on that we are increasing or decreasing the value. Okay, so this portion is for initialization of a variable, right? So now see there, this is the, we can say that the main concept. So now let's begin with the practical also. So here I will tell you some other things also related to that. Let us open the blue j, and so let me create there a new package, and this is uh, basics of Java. This is our package. That is the common topic for ICSE class 10th and 9th. Right. So here, this is my class for loop. Right. So that is my class. Next, see. Uh, Sorry for that. Yeah. Okay. So this will be easy for you. This much font. Right. So now, as you know that Java's program that is divided into classes and methods. First of all, we have to declare here the class. So class, I have given there the name for LWP, for loop, right? So next, the function you have to put there, public static void main, right? It has done. So this is my main function, main engine of our program, let's say. So now here I'm using the for loop, right? So see, I told you that it is divided into three parts, right? So this is the initialization part. I is equals to, let's say, 1, right? And next, this is what I, okay, this one I, so I'm using the condition here, this I is less than 10. Then next I need to increase or decrease the value, right? So I am doing it I plus plus, sorry, I'm doing I plus plus. See, this is the initialization, means one kind of new birth of a variable. Okay, so you are giving a new value to that. First of all, compiler will check this one only, right? Then it will check the condition, right? So this is all about that. Here the condition will be true or false. Then we are going to enter inside the for loop. Compiler is not checking to this condition. It will check after the execution of the loop. Now the compiler will come back and it will check the increase or decrease. Let's say I'm just printing here system.out.println and I am just giving there I, right, value and closing it. So let us compile that, coming back to the BlueJ and yeah, this answer is coming, right? So now jumping back to the coding, see guys, see, this is called the initialization. So I can initialize it with any variable, 4 also, I can give 4 also, right? So here also, here you have to give an appropriate condition, that will be depends on the requirement of the program. If it is increment, so give their increment, sorry, less than, so less than, right? If it is greater than, sometime we need greater or less, right? So as per on that, you just give the condition there. Now this is my increment or decrement part. So what is going to be done with this part, if I talk about let's just compare that. Yeah, it will be easy for you to catch now. See, this is my I is equals to 4. First of all, I have given there 1, right? So now I have changed the value 1, right? So now we are checking that is I less than 10, the condition is true. See, compiler will check first of all this initialized I with 1, then it will be checked by the compiler, that is the condition less than 10. Yeah, condition is less than 10 because 1 is less than 10. So now we get enter inside this loop. So here we are printing I. What is inside I? There is 1. So we have printed that. Now the compiler will come back and here it will check the it will do the increment. So what do you mean by I plus plus? It is same as if you are writing I is equals to I plus 1. It is same as that. Okay, so you can write this also simply. If I'm writing there this, so this also I can write simply. But in Java, it is providing us the feature of increment decrement like that. So we can do. So this is same as that. I is equals to I plus 1. So one value is increased inside I. So now what is the value of I? That was 1. Now it will be 2. So we are checking that is 2 less than 10, condition is true, and we are printing 2 like we have printed here 2. Next, I will be plus plus, that means 1 will be increased inside I. So I will be 3. So 3 is less than, condition true, we get enter inside and we have printed 3. Next, I's value will be plus by 1, that will be 4. So 4 is less than, condition true, and we are printing there 4. So like how it will print till 9. Why till 9? Because at the 10, 10 is not less than 10. 10 is equals to 10. If you want to print there 10 too, so for that you need to put there less than equals to sign. So now it will work till 10, right? So for that you need to put there equals to sign. So you just understand the execution. First of all, compiler will check this. Next, it will check the condition. Now the execution of the body will be done. Then the compiler will check this third part. So that's why I told you that the for loop, these its part are divided in 3 sections. So now see, here few changes, just made the few changes there x, and that means no need to give there this part, so you can simply put this part here also. So if I'm compiling it, so it's easily compiled, right? That means the semicolon is mandatory there. If I will run that, so I will find an error, so I need to keep there the semicolon. So this part you have done there. So this also can be possible. And as similar to this, if control X, and if I'm compiling that, so now this is compiled. But guys, this is my infinite loop. Why this is infinite loop? Because I will be always 1. There will be no any change in I will be 1 always, and 1 will be less than 10. So how we are not increasing its value means the condition will be true forever. So this type of loop is called the infinite loop. So simply you can do this thing here also. Means instead of there, you can put I plus plus here also. So like how wait, so like how you have compiled that, right? So this is we have done here. That means I just want to say that the portion which is there left and right of this condition, so that we can break, means here I can initialize and here I can increase or decrease that, right? See, let's suppose let's run that first of all, and then see what is going to be done. Okay, so this we have done. That means it has started from 1 and it has checked the condition. Now it has printed, and here the i's value is going to be increased by 1. That will be 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. Right? So this we have done. So now let us see here if you are not putting this condition here. So what gonna happen there? So it is okay. So now what will happen? This is also called our infinity loop. What kind of loop? It is infinity loop. Let me compile it for you. So this is the infinity loop. That means always ci's value is this, right? So right, so this is my infinity loop. So you need to put there the condition here, right? Otherwise this is infinite loop. Right, so now what we have done, this is my initialization. This also you can write here. I'm writing it back. Next you have there increment decrement I plus plus, right? So see there, if I am writing there I only, so and here I'm just writing I, so this is also correct way. Yeah, this is also a correct way there, like how you can do that. Few more things are there. I can give there 10, and for that 10 is not less than 10. So you can put there greater than equals to, and here you can simply put there minus minus, means now 10, what will printed there, what are you expecting? Of course 10, then 9, then okay, so this condition we have put there wrong actually, sorry. Okay, so because we are doing minus minus, so that's why, right? So that's why 9 will get print. First of all, what we did there, it has 10. 10 is less than, no, but 10 is equals to 10. So our condition will be correct. So now 10 will be printed. Next we have I minus minus. I will be 9. So 9 is less than, of course 9 is less than. So we have printed that. So like that we can print. But one thing is there, that this loop is also infinite loop. Are you getting what I want to say? Because it will decrease the i's value, and that will be forever less than 10. So this is also an infinity loop. So that's why I want to say that whenever you are putting there the condition or increment decrement, so always make sure that you are giving there the correct information, right? So I need to put there the value changes, like greater than is equals to, you can say there 2. So we have to give there greater than equals to, let's say I have given 2, right? So right now it will be correct. So what is going to be print? First of all 10, okay, then of course 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, 5, like how it will get print. Okay, so till 2 it will print. So let us compile that. Is it working properly or not? Yeah, of course it has worked, right? So you can print the table of 2 also. How to print that? So you just post it in the comment section. So I will be telling you this in the next class. So bye bye, I hope you people understood. So if you are having any doubt, you can post it in the comment section. Bye bye.